The James Webb Telescope launched on December 25, 2021. The new telescope was shot off millions of kilometers away from Earth to get a better glimpse into the workings of the universe. Here's a list of 10 mind-blowing facts about the James Webb Telescope, which will change the route of space exploration for human beings. Number 1. Webb Telescope will be more sensitive. It could detect the heat signature of a bumblebee at the distance of the Moon. Number 2. Webb's 18-segment primary mirror is over 6 times bigger in area than Hubble's, and will be 100 times more powerful. While Hubble mirror stood at 7.8 feet in diameter, the James Webb Telescope's mirror has the diameter of 21.3 feet, allowing it to capture 6 times more light than Hubble. Number 3. James Webb's have 18 primary mirror segments, can each be individually adjusted to work as one massive mirror. They're covered with a golf ball's worth of gold, which optimizes them for reflecting infrared light. The coating is so thin that a human hair is 1,000 times thicker. Number 4. Our upcoming James Webb Space Telescope will act like a powerful time machine, because it will capture light that's been traveling across space for as long as 13.5 billion years, when the first stars and galaxies were formed out of the darkness of the early universe. Number 5. James Telescope will orbit the Sun 1 million miles away from Earth, at the place called the second Lagrange point. Number 6. To preserve Webb's telescope heat-sensitive vision, it has a sunshield that's the size of a tennis court. It gives the telescope the equivalent of SPF protection of 1 million. The sunshield also reduces the temperature between the hot and cold side of the spacecraft by almost 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 7. Webb will be able to see infrared light. This is light that is just outside the visible spectrum, and just outside of what we can see with our human eyes. Number 8. Webb's unprecedented sensitivity to infrared light will help astronomers to compare the faintest, earliest galaxies to today's grand spirals and ellipticals, helping us to understand how galaxies assemble over billions of years. Number 9. Webb will be able to see right through and into massive clouds of dust that are opaque to visible light observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope. Inside those clouds are where stars and planetary systems are born. Number 10. In addition to seeing things inside our own solar system, Webb will tell us more about the atmospheres of planets orbiting other stars, and perhaps even find the building blocks of life elsewhere in the universe. Bonus. Over 1,200 scientists, engineers and technicians from 14 countries have taken part in designing and building Webb. The total cost for James Webb Telescope is more than $10 billion. The entire project is a joint mission between NASA and the European and Canadian space agencies. The telescope part of the observatory was assembled in the world's largest cleanroom at our Goddard Space Flight Center in Maryland. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. See you in next video.